Hello friends, in today's video of oil hydraulics and pneumatics, we'll see the topic direction control valve. What is direction control valve? Actually, there are three different types of control valves in the hydraulic system. One is direction control valve, second is flow control valve, and the third one is pressure control valve or pressure regulator valve. So in this today's video, we will see regarding the direction control valve, how the direction control valve controls the direction of the flow. So rest of the other two control valve we will see in the next lectures. So what is the direction control valve? Actually, what is the main role of direction control valve? First of all, let us see its location, where it is located. The direction control valve is located after the pressure regulator valve and before the actuator. So the main function of the direction control valve is, direction control valves are those who control the direction or distribute the you can say the energy of fluid in the desired direction. For example, in a dual acting actuator, if there are two actions, one is extracting and second is retracting. So for extracting, the flow takes place through one port, and for retracting we have to change the direction of the flow of the pressurized fluid so that the retracting action takes place. So vice versa, for extracting and retracting, the direction control valves are used. Normally these valves are used to start or stop or change the direction of the fluid. So depend on the types of control valve, start, stop, direction change, forward, reverse, all these parameters are controlled by the direction control valve. Now it is also said that it controls the flow direction in the hydraulic circuit. As I told you friends, direction control valve are those control valves which controls the flow of direction in the actuator. By changing the direction of flow, we get the forward, backward or clockwise or anti-clockwise motion in the hydraulic system. Now here we will see the classification of the control valve. Now you can see here the classification of direction control valve. Normally direction control valves are classified based on the types of, first the types of construction, either a puppet valve or a spool valve. Now what is puppet valve and what is spool valve we will see in detail in this lecture ahead. The second classification is based on number of ports, that is two-way valve, three-way valve and four-way valve. So this valves depends on the number of port. The number of port means through which a fluid can enter inside the control valve and fluid which comes or leave the control valve. So the space or port, it is termed as through which the fluid enters to the valve, and as per our desired direction it leaves the control valve. Now number of switching position. Now what is this number of switching position? Let me explain you. Number of switching position means when you are holding a valve and moving left or right, or we are moving left, middle and right. If it is left and right control, only on and off, then it is termed as two position valve. And if the valve is, we can adjust the valve in left, center and right position, it is a three position valve. And the fourth one, actuating mechanism. Actuating mechanism means the manual actuation. It means operated manually Actuation means what? Actuation means how the valve is actuated, means how the valve is operated for controlling the direction or stopping the flow or changing the direction of the flow. So these are the different actuation mechanism in order to operate the valve. So the first one is manual actuation. Manual actuation means what? The valve is operated manually. It means whatever the control or change of the direction we are doing, that is doing manually. For example, at our home, हम अपने घर पे जो नल होते हैं, वॉश बेसिन के टैप हैं, उनको हम मैन्युअली ओपन या क्लोज करते हैं. तो उसकी दो ही पोजीशन है. फॉर एग्जांपल सिंपल वाटर टैप हम ले लें तो उसकी दो ही पोजीशन है, ओपन एंड क्लोज. सो दैट वी आर डूइंग मैन्युअली. सो फ्रेंड्स, that type of controlling valve are operated manually, so they are termed as manual actuation valve. The second one is mechanical actuation. वहां पर कोई हमने मैकेनिकल डिवाइस अटैच किया है, फॉर एग्जांपल कैम एंड फॉलोअर मैकेनिज्म, जिससे वो वाल्व ओपन क्लोज होता है. Normally for mechanical actuation, cam and follower mechanism is one of the ideal mechanism, or some gear mechanism, but in order or some gear mechanism which operates the cam for opening and closing or changing the position of the valve. So again friends, mechanical actuation means the operation, automatic operation of the valve without human help, that is by the machine. And that is, so sorry for the interruption. So this mechanical valve is again a valve which is operated without manual help, human being help, operated with some mechanism, as I told you, cam mechanism. The third one is solenoid. Solenoid actuation, we all know what is solenoid. Solenoid is a device which is operated with some electric magnetic flux. A coil is wounded, बीच में एक स्पिंडल शाफ्ट रहता है, उसके चारों तरफ कॉइल लिपटी हुई होती है. whenever the supply is given to that coil, it will move upward and downward because of the magnetic attraction force, electromagnetic force. So this kind of solenoid actuations, later on we will see in detail. So solenoid actuations are those type of valve which are operated with the help of solenoid device. It means these are one type of electric device. The fourth one is hydraulic actuation. Hydraulic actuations are those type of operations where the closing and opening of valve is done with the help of hydraulic fluid pressurization only. जहाँ पर hydraulic fluid खुद ही valve को open close या we are changing the direction of the pressurized fluid with the help of hydraulic fluid pressure only. The fifth one is a pneumatic actuation, जहाँ पर valve का opening, closing, direction changing जो है कोई हाइड्रोलिक न्यूमेटिक एयर ऑपरेटेड मैकेनिज्म से किया जाता है. और द लास्ट वन इज इनडायरेक्ट एक्चुएशन. इनडायरेक्ट एक्चुएशन मीन्स विच डिपेंड्स नॉट डायरेक्टली on the device which is we have attached, but it is operated with some other hydraulic medium for actuation, or else we can say which does not directly involve the working on the valve. For example, कोई valve है तो उसको हम डायरेक्टली किसी भी ऊपर की 5 मेथडों से नहीं ओपन कर रहे हैं, पर it is depending on the rise of pressure or change in pressure or some thermostatic or some pressure difference. For example, हमारे घर पे प्रेशर कुकर रहता है, तो प्रेशर कुकर की सीटी जो है, प्रेशर कुकर का जो वाल है, इट इज़ वेट लिफ्टेड वाल. तो इंटरनल जब कोई भी प्रेशर जनरेट होता है, वो ऑटोमेटिक बाय फोर्स ऑफ द प्रेशर इट राइजेस. So indirect actuation means the actuation of valve with either the temperature control or by the pressure control. So this is the classification of hydraulic control valves or direction control valve. Now let us see the first one, puppet valve. What is the puppet valve? Puppet valves are those valves which are closed with some external force of the spring. And so here you can see this is the puppet valve. Puppet valve means the closing of valve is done with some external force of the spring. Whenever the valve is to be opened, a flow of pressurized fluid will act at this point. It will act at this point, and it will act at this point, and the pressure will be higher than the spring pressure. Whatever the pressure or the tension of the spring, the pressure generated here will be higher than this of the spring, and which will lift the. So puppet valve, again the opening and closing of valve is done with the fluid pressure. Opening is done with the fluid pressure and closing is done with the counter spring placed opposite to the flow. So यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं कि कैसे एक पॉपेट वाल्व ओपन एंड क्लोज होता है. यहाँ पर कोई भी मैकेनिज्म नहीं है. इसको ओपन क्लोज करने के लिए ओनली एंड ओनली द फ्लूइड प्रेशर इज रिक्वायर्ड. फ्लूइड प्रेशर के हेल्प से ये वाल्व ओपन एंड क्लोज होता है. अगर प्रेशर स्प्रिंग प्रेशर से कम हो गया, फ्लूइड प्रेशर स्प्रिंग प्रेशर से कम हो गया, तो वाल्व क्लोज हो जाएगा. और फ्लूइड का प्रेशर स्प्रिंग टेंशन या स्प्रिंग की स्टिफनेस से ज़्यादा हो गया, तो द वाल्व विल ओपन एंड फ्लो विल स्टार्ट. सो दिस इज हाउ द फ्लो टेक्स प्लेस. रिवर्स में अगर कोई फ्लो आता है तो इट विल ब्लॉक द फ्लो. यहाँ पे फ्लो रिवर्स नहीं होगा. उसका रीजन है कि ड्यूरिंग द रिटर्न द फोर्स विल एक्ट ऑन दिस सरफेस ऑफ द बॉल एंड विच विल पुश द बॉल डाउन एंड बॉल विल सिट इन द कैविटी and the flow will not take place. So puppet valves are those valves which operates without any mechanical leverage or without any manual operation. It only operates based on the flow pressure of the fluid pressure of the fluid. So the next one is spool valve. What are the spool valve? Now friends, आगे पपेट वाल्व में आपने देखा कि वहां पर एक स्प्रिंग अप्लाई की हुई है और देयर इज ओनली वन डायरेक्शन ऑफ फ्लो. नाउ स्पूल वाल्व मीन्स व्हाट? यहां पर ये जो पोर्ट आप देख रहे हो, दिस आर द पोर्ट्स. हियर यू सी दिस इज द पोर्ट, दिस इज द पोर्ट. नाउ स्पूल मीन्स यहां पर कोई भी वाल्व को ओपन क्लोज करने के लिए कोई भी वाल्व नहीं दिया गया है, बट पिस्टन के साथ जो सिलेंडर दिया है, पिस्टन के साथ कनेक्टिंग रोड के साथ जो उसका जो सिलेंडर है, वो सिलेंडर में ग्रूव्स दिए गए हैं. और वो जो सिलेंडर में जो ग्रूव्स दिए गए हैं या स्पेस दिया गया है इंटरनली, वो स्पेस जब ओपन स्पेस जब ये आउटर बॉडी के पोर्ट के सामने आता है तो ऑटोमेटिकली फ्लो शुरू हो जाता है. सो स्पूल मीन्स ए वाल्व विथ ए सिलेंड्रिकल सरफेस, इंटरनल सिलेंड्रिकल सरफेस विथ ए स्मॉल होल ऑन दैट. और दूसरी लैंग्वेज में बात करूं तो For example, whatever the pressure or free flow pressure is there here. So what happens when it is moving in downward direction? When it comes to the downward direction, this entire assembly will come down, and when this assembly will come down, this socket and this socket will come in line and the flow will take place. So जो भी उसका पिस्टन है उसके अंदर ही होल दिए गए हैं और वो होल इसके मोशन के हिसाब से ओपन क्लोज होता है. यहाँ पे कोई भी पर्टिकुलर ऐसा वाल नहीं है जो हम उसको लिफ्ट करें और खुल जाए और बंद हो जाए. नहीं, जो भी पिस्टन के साथ जहाँ पे फ्लूइड प्रेशर एक्ट होता है, पिस्टन के साथ एक सिलिंड्रिकल सरफेस दिया गया है और इस सिलिंड्रिकल सरफेस पे होल दिए गए हैं उसकी सरकमफरेंस पे. तो जैसे जैसे ये अप और डाउन, अपवर्ड एंड डाउनवर्ड मोशन करता है, बेस्ड ऑन दैट ये वाल जब भी इसके सामने आते हैं ओपन और क्लोज होते हैं. सो दिस इज हाउ द स्पूल वाल्व इज वर्किंग. नाउ लेट अस सी द नेक्स्ट वन. Based on number of ports, that is two-way valve or number of ports. So here you can see there are two ports, port A and port P. Whatever the fluid is entering in this portion, when this piston move to this periphery or to internal edge, the flow will take place from here to this direction. And when this plunger is moving in this direction, it will stop the flow. So here you can see it is a two-way. So here a two-way valve is generally used to control the direction of fluid flow in hydraulic circuit, and the sliding spool type. This is again the sliding spool type. इंटरनल सिलेंड्रिकल पिस्टन की पोजीशन फॉरवर्ड या बैकवर्ड के बेस पे ये ओपन क्लोज होगा, तो उसको स्पूल टाइप कहते हैं. वहाँ पे कोई ऐसा पर्टिकुलर वाल पपेट वाल नहीं दिया गया है जिसके मीडियम से ये ओपन होगा. सो यहाँ पे इसको टू वे इसलिए बोलते हैं कि आइदर इट विल स्टॉप और इट विल फ्लो. सो हियर यू कैन से इट इज द टू पोर्ट वाल विच यू सी हियर. Okay, this is a three-way valve. Now here you can see why it is called as three-way. तो यहाँ पे तीन पोर्ट दिए गए हैं, पोर्ट 1, पोर्ट 2 एंड पोर्ट 3. तो तीन पोर्ट की वजह से दिस इज टर्म्ड एज थ्री-वे valve. What is the main function of this valve? Either it stops the fluid, it allows the fluid, or it also changes the direction of fluid. For example, when fluid is flowing in this condition, the fluid is flowing in this direction. In this, the fluid is flowing in this direction. So this is the condition 1. We can say allow the fluid to flow. Condition 2. Now, when this port, this will move in this direction, what will happen? This portion will come here and it will block this portion, and when this portion will be blocked, the fluid cannot flow. So from here also fluid cannot flow, and from here also fluid cannot flow. So that will be stop the fluid. Just imagine, इस प्लंजर को हम थोड़ा लेफ्ट लेते हैं तो ये प्लंजर इस पोर्ट को बंद कर देगा. जब ये आउटपुट बंद हो जाएगा तो यहाँ से कोई भी अगर फ्लूइड आता है तो वो फ्लूइड यहाँ के इस एरिया में आ जाएगा और ये फ्लूइड आके इस एरिया में आके स्टॉप हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ से कोई भी फ्लूइड ऊपर नहीं जा पाएगा. इट मीन्स इट स्टॉप्स द फ्लूइड फ्लो. द नेक्स्ट वन इज चेंज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द फ्लो. Now, for example, right now the fluid is flowing from here, but as soon as when we shift this piston to this direction, left side, इस पिस्टन को हम लेफ्ट साइड लाएंगे तो ये पोर्ट बंद हो जाएगा और ये पोर्ट खुल जाएगा, एंड दैट टाइम द फ्लो विल गो बैक टू द टैंक. पोर्ट T मीन्स तो पोर्ट tank. So here in one direction the flow is to the actuator, and in return the flow is to the tank. So here all the three functions are controlled by the three-way valve. Again I tell you why it is three-way valve. Here you can see here there are 3 ports. Because of based on the number of port, it is designed or it is declared as three-way valve or three-way port. The main function it is, again I repeat, to stop the fluid, allow fluid to flow and change the direction of the fluid. Now the four-way valve. What is this four-way valve? Now here there are different types of different 4 ports. So this is the four-way control valve. Now how we can call it as a four-way control valve, just let us see. Suppose the fluid is entering from here, so it can move to the port 1. So this is way 1. When it is moving from here, it is moving to port B, it is 2. And when the fluid is returning from port A, that is towards the tank, this is the wave 3, and when it is moving in. So these are the 4 different way of flow. So that's why it is called as four-way valve. From single entry we can supply the fluid to port A, and when it is returning it will go to the port of the tank. So these are the 2-way. Similarly, from port it is entering to the port B, and while returning it is entering to the port again to the tank. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So these are the 4 different way of four-way valve. These valves are now commonly used because with the help of this we can also control the two-way actuators, forward, backward, as well as the rotation of the fluid motor also we can control with the help of this type of four-way valve. Okay friends, so I hope it is clear to you all in this today's video. Rest of the portion of the actuation of the direction control valve we will see in the second part of this video. So thank you very much. So thank you very much. So friends, now we'll see the classification of switching position based on number of switching position. So the two position valve. Now here you can say why it is called two position. So here you can see here this is the position 1 and this is the position 2. That is, the flow is entering from here and flow is going here. ये जो आपको फिगर दिख रही है, ये जो इन्वर्टेड टी सेक्शंस आपको दो दिख रहे हैं, इट मीन्स द फ्लो इज नॉट, दिस टू पोर्ट आर नॉट इंटरकनेक्टेड टू ईच अदर. ये दोनों पोर्ट एक दूसरे को कनेक्टेड नहीं है. तो व्हेन दिस इज द पोजीशन द फ्लो इज ऑन, व्हेन दिस इज द पोजीशन द फ्लो डज नॉट take place. So here you can say the two way means the way, this is called way 1 and this is called way 2. Only stop and close, stop and close, यही दो position हम stop and flow, the flow is on, flow is off. Only these two positions is termed as two way two position. So this is the condition normally closed. It means the flow is entering here and here it stops. It's not moving or entering. And this is normally open position, means the flow is on. ये एरो अगर थोड़ा इस फिगर से बाहर निकलता है, इस ब्लॉक से बाहर निकलता है, that means flow is on. Here also you can see in the different position. This is three-way two-port. Three-way means one. I told you in previous, three-way means number of, depends on number of port. Port 1, port 2 and port 3. So this is port 1 and यहाँ पे port 1, port 2 and port 3. So this is used for forward direction. This is used for रिवर्स डायरेक्शन. अब दोनों एरो की टिप आप देखिए बाहर नहीं निकल रही है कहीं पर भी. तो दिस पोजीशन यहाँ पे, ये आप ऊपर वाला वीडियो देखेंगे तो यहाँ पे ये टिप थोड़ा बाहर निकल रहा है रेक्टेंगुलर से, तो ये क्लोज पोजीशन है. यहाँ पे आप देखिए कि ये ऐसे बल्ज किया हुआ है थोड़ा बहुत, तो दिस यू कैन सी हियर दिस पोर्शन, इट इज बल्जिंग आउटवर्ड. इट मीन्स दिस इज नॉर्मली क्लोज. एंड यहाँ पर ये जो फ्लो है या ये जो फ्लो आप एरो से थोड़ा बाहर आप देख रहे हैं, तो दिस इज नॉर्मली ओपन. नाउ द फोर वे पोजिशन, फोर वे टू पोजिशन. फोर वे मीन्स फोर पोर्ट, पोर्ट 1, पोर्ट 2, पोर्ट 3 एंड पोर्ट 4. तो ये 4 पोर्ट है और पोजिशन 2 ही है, आइदर पैरेलल फ्लो और क्रॉस फ्लो. सो दिस आर द based on number of switching position. 2 position. Now we'll see the 3 position valve. Here you can see these are the 3 position valve. This is 4-way 3 position valve. 4-way, it is again depending on the port. So port 1, port 2, port 3 and port 4. But again this is the entire rectangular section is divided into 3 part. That is parallel flow, stop and cross flow. तो उसको बोलते हैं 4-way 3 position valve. I hope it is clear to you all. 4-way. 4-way means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-way and 3 position. We can acquire 3 position by shifting the lever. When the lever is on this portion, it is termed as parallel flow. This is flow 1, position 1. When lever is in this position, position 2, it is a stop position. And when lever is on this position, it is a cross flow position. So again it is based on the number of port, it is termed as 4 port, and number of this rectangular or position, it is termed as 3-way position. Now 4-way 3 port, 5 port closed center. It means यहाँ पे आप देखिए way are 4 through which the flow can take place, but port are 5 and position are 3, position 1, 2 and 3 position. Similarly here 4-way 3 position, 1, 2, 3, cross flow, both direction flow and only one flow. So these are the different types of again you can see 4-way 3 position, 5 port open center. तो यहाँ पे 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. तो टोटल 5 पोर्ट है. वे आर 4 and 3 position, 1, 2 and 3 position. So this is how the 3 position valve are working. So thank you friends for watching this video. I request you all to subscribe our channel SSIT.Gandhinagar, and the remaining portion we'll see in part 2. Thank you very much.